Hey, new background. Right now I'm in the library. Uh, I was listening to an I was listening to last week's or yesterday's video, and I was realizing I don't pronounce certain words properly, so my enunciation is off. So that kind of throw me off now. But Doctor was saying I'm in the library right now, and I am working on some Notion stuff. I'll show a couple clips in this couple seconds, but I'm working on kind of organizing my Notion page to just be more organized, especially as this month comes to a close, because this is my last month of my freshman year. And the reason I've been on and off with Notion a couple times, but I think my biggest issue with Notion is that sometimes I just get really, really busy to the point where Notion isn't able to contain that, and it goes into procrastination. When I procrastinate, I need stuff to do, stuff last minute, and my whole organization schedule, wherever I plan, gets thrown off. So with April being like a month where I'm only working on three major projects, that being National Conference of Undergraduate Research presentation next week, exams, and really just some settlement stuff. I think I have some room to try and ease into a Notion workflow, so that's going to be really awesome. I do think it's nice. I do think it's really cool. Side thing, Google's Gemini 2.5 model is getting a lot of attention. I think the attention is rising, as I was saying before. Same thing with DeepSeek, or I actually said it one way, or Chat. Was it one way or ChatGPT? I don't know. Anyways, the point is Google its new AI model. I think the best one so far is rising in popularity. So I think in the coming days, expect to hear more of that. But back to what I was saying, back to me. I think my biggest issue right now in terms of the stuff I'm working on is the exams are going to be a bit difficult. I think the one of the biggest factors going to these exams is how much of the previous material they're going to cover. Because if it's really, like for example, for math, I've had two midterms. So if the last exam is everything after the midterm, like solely based on that, then we're not going to be in so much trouble. But if it's not, then that's going to be a bit harder. For discrete, it's formatted like that, so I think there's more room to mess around to improve. Programming, I didn't do well on the last exam. I got around a 70, I think it was 70, something, 70, between 70 and 80. I was confused. I was like, it wasn't that hard of an exam. So I have to really improve on that stuff. I think I underestimated how difficult the exam would be. I think it was one of those cases of silly little errors racking up the exam rather than not knowing the content. I do think it is a shift because from last year we were able to like use OpenNote. I don't know. I don't think we were able to use it for the last one or the like. I think we're able for like quizzes. We were able for no for quizzes we weren't. I think maybe for quizzes we were, and then for exams we weren't. Either way, is because this class I wouldn't say it's marginally harder. I think I won't say like a big increase in difficulty, but I do think it's a different it's just going more in depth. I think that's its own challenge in some sense, but I have to really prepare for that to know the content to my bone and all that. But I do think it's gonna be nice. I'm trying to create a study schedule so by the time the exams come, I'm not just doing last minute prep because I solemnly believe that last minute prep will not work in this case. So I really want to have this down to the bone by the week of the exam. So the studying I can do there's just final stuff, not really. I shouldn't be learning anything new on the week of the exam, but rather just reinforcing knowledge. But yeah, besides that, there's not much else to say. So besides that, I have nothing else to say. Have a great day.